Good morning. It is 6:30. I'm about to wake up and start our day. Chickley's here. Hello. Alright, so I had to go to my work really quick to take care of something. It is 9:20 and we are going to strawberry picking from now. Are you excited? Do you know what that is? Strawberry picking? It's a strawberry buffet.
Let's get started. I'm going to walk it up.
Alright, we're here. You ready?
The horsey again, look. The horsey.
That's a cow, I think.
Oh.
Big cow. Let's pick the strawberries. Really love ones.
Find the red one.
Show me. That's good. Really red. This one too. Look. Beautiful. This one.
I want to go to the bathroom. I got one.
This is good.
What? This is a big one.
Ooh, I love it.
Can you see it? Two.
Look at how many we got. Look at that. That's a lot.
I know it's hard for everyone to understand it, but you're in my heart, even though it feels like we got stranded, and I wish I could get to you, see you face to face without a screen cutting through buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. I wish
Right here. To make the sponge cake, watch this video. It explains how to make it and all the tips and tricks. So this is 6-inch and I sliced the sponge into 5 layers and used the 3 layers today, but you can use up everything and make more cakes, of course. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start. Really sliced sponge like this. Let me show you, okay? So I'm just gonna cut like this. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 and little one 3.
I want to show you.
Okay, go ahead. Good job. Push. Push. I recommend to set clear film inside so that the cakes comes out easily later. Push, push, push. Push, push, push.
Push, push, push.
Let's save strawberries for decoration.
Why, Mama? Side.
Look, I attached the strawberries on the side.
Big? Look, Mama, it's big.
Good job. Look. Ta-da. Oop, pipe, pipe, pipe. Oop. And strawberry.
Shadow in there.
And then put the little sponge on top and push.
Why?
Push. And then look.
Wow, Mama, that was so cute.
A little bit more. And then push, push, push. 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 And then put this in. And then push.
Push.
Push, push. Over here. Bye.
Push, push, push. Mom, can I do it?
Sure. Go ahead. Let's do it together. So today I took them out right after they're done, but if you want to let the cream set a little bit more, I recommend to chill in the fridge before you do this. But this was so satisfying to do. They slipped off and it was so fun. Film is
Mama,
Film is out.
do it for
Yay! Success! You kind of have to shake. Scary. Come out, come out. Ah! Oh, this is still on.
I'm dancing.
You got one more.
Not yet. Wow!
Let's do just a little swirl. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. Patience.
Wanna try?
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Good job! Strawberries on top. Today I made small strawberry shortcakes, but you can use the same method and make one big cake as well. Gentle. Well, beautiful! It's all done! Look at that, and we made it together! You made it together!
Mom, can I get my plate?
Alright. Bon appétit!
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling. Each of us both done in the crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that they had to be nice. Knew that they had to be nice. We do what we gotta do to stay with.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Fussing on fights.
Yummy.
Trust.
chocolate can eat our food. It's chocolate this.
It's gonna play out the same.
Everything even.
It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing.
So after we made the strawberry shortcakes, we still have this much strawberries left. Woo, a lot. We're just gonna keep eating tons of strawberries this week.
Safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far. So far. Both called it from.
Thank you for watching. Keep baking, enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.